Here's 3 AI stocks that are on a juicy dip despite the red day we just had that you definitely need to add to your watch list. The first one I'm going to be talking about is Oracle. Oracle is actually down 16% on the month now. Oracle actually had a huge run up after their earnings. They delivered extremely good Q2 earnings, and then they also had a $300 billion OpenAI deal overnight in the same night with their earnings, and they have finally came right back down to where they were just about before the earnings. Now, I think Oracle still has a huge future. They are deeply embedded into the AI cloud sector. They have huge government contracts. I don't think they're going anywhere. All right, next up is Meta, and I don't know how I could make this video without talking about Meta. I think everyone has seen the Meta dip because of earnings. They're down 16% on the week. And a lot of people thought the earnings was bad, which caused a huge oversell. I think Meta is extremely oversold right now, but really in reality, their earnings were not that bad. They really got messed over on the net income and EPS because of a $16 billion tax charge due to the big beautiful bill, but they still delivered very good growth in revenue. And also they had a lot of AI spending this quarter, which honestly is a good sign for a company like Meta. I think Meta and Oracle are 2 companies that are very embedded into the AI sector, and I don't think they're going anywhere, and they have a huge spot in the future because of AI. And then number 3, this one's on a smaller dip, which is AMD. AMD just had earnings today, and they did deliver. They beat earnings, but as I said, I was talking about this all week long. I did not think AMD's stock price was going to react well because of their earnings, because AMD had a huge Q3, not because of revenue and earnings, because of the OpenAI deal they got in October. It was a $100 billion deal with OpenAI, and the OpenAI CEO said he was going to take a 10% stake. That does not reflect at all on their earnings for Q3. It will, in fact, make the future quarters better, and it may reflect on the guidance, but I think it was extremely easy to see that they were inflated at that price, and there was probably about no level of earnings they could have delivered that would have held that price. And AMD is still only a $400 billion market cap company. It is the little brother to Nvidia, and in my opinion, AMD is the better buy than Nvidia right now, and that's coming from an Nvidia holder. I think AMD will have much better returns because it has so much more room to run, because Nvidia is already the biggest market cap company in the world. So if you believe in AI, these 3 stocks are definitely worth looking into on this dip. Don't miss out, because this was a generational dip, especially for Meta. If you're not already, drop me a follow. I post daily stock videos just like this every day, trying to put you guys on. And obviously it's not financial advice, so do your own market research and due diligence. I make these videos for educational and entertainment purposes only.